Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating basic bottlenecks. Plug the BlackShark V2 directly into your PC's rear USB or a high-quality 3.5mm jack and avoid hubs. Once connected, install Razer Synapse or update the headset firmware so you get full codec support. Then open Windows Sound Settings and change the playback format to 24-bit, 48000HC to reduce resampling. Make sure exclusive mode is off so apps don't hijack the device. This prevents pops and inconsistent levels. Now you shape what you hear. Open Synapse and enable Razer Surround only if you need spatialization. Otherwise, use the app's custom EQ. You'll get better clarity by applying a subtle cut around 200 to 400 Hz to remove muddiness and a gentle boost between 2 and 6K Hz for vocals and detail. Use a parametric band if available. Also turn off Windows sound enhancements and set apps to bit-perfect output so your EQ and drivers control tonal balance rather than software doing unpredictable processing. Finish by verifying hardware. Inspect and, if possible, swap the cable to rule out a bad lead and test the headset on another phone or PC to isolate the problem. Once done, adjust the headband and ear cup seal. Proper contact alters bass and imaging significantly, then fine-tune the EQ with real tracks you know. If you still have distortion, reinstall drivers and consider using an external USB DAC or sound card to bypass PC audio issues. Troubleshooting tip: test with multiple source files to confirm whether the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.